back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. If you need a pick-me-up, I am so glad you're here. Some fun window shopping, some amazing fall finds from the dollar store, and more than that, how you can save huge. So don't go anywhere.
I cannot believe this is a Dollar General.
Today we're going to the Dollar General for fall home decor this year. And here's why. With the recent opening of Dollar General's Popshelf, the home decor is incredible and the prices cannot be beat. I was shocked when I was in store.
I love this little setup. This is so cute. They have all of these candles and these are all $5. Oh my goodness. So in the Dollar General stores, you guys should see end caps just like this with all of the new fall finds. All of these pillows are only $5 each. Those are really pretty colors, and that's $12.
This price is gonna be about what you would pay to DIY it from the dollar store, and they're just stunning.
And I really love the wooden garlands that they put on these. So beautiful.
There's a few things when shopping in Dollar General you have to know, and the first is right now, spring and summer items are 50% off clearance, and many of those items can overlap into a fall look. I found some amazing home decor and even gorgeous doormats for $5.
So you can get these gorgeous things like decorative wall plaques for just $2.50, these shelves, $10 originally, and now they are all just $5. The quality is great. Look at that.
The Dollar General has such a robust rug section. You can get these for about $6 and make a really cute layered look on your front porch. But my ultimate favorite is this Pottery Barn dupe. This retails for $39, and when you get it, it is not all it's cracked up to be. Have you ever ordered something that's really small? Well, fear not, go to the Dollar General. This one is $10, and y'all, it is 47 by 27 inches. This is the highest quality item I saw in store this year. I love how it looks on my front porch. You don't have to sacrifice quality for a really cute look at home. Here's what you may not know. The Dollar General also has a free app that is 5-star rated. I'm not sponsored by Dollar General, I just really love it. And every Saturday, you can get $5 off a $25 purchase using the app. There's also a ton more rebate options you can get right on the app that cashes out into PayPal. So Saturdays are always the best day to shop, and you can apply that $5 off to your home decor purchase.
Most Dollar Generals are gonna kind of have a mix of seasons just like this. Let me see what I can pull. All of their plants here are so pretty as well, and these are half the price that you would find at Target and Walmart. They're just $5 to $8. I absolutely adore the Dollar General lamps. They are so pretty. Some of these rustic ones are under $20. That's half the price that you'd see at Target. They also have smaller ones with more classic designs. I also really like this one. This mimics something that you would see at Pottery Barn. It's only $30. It would be super cute in any room in your house.
Something else I want you to check out at Dollar General are their furniture, especially if you're working with a really small budget. I love their furniture pieces, and I picked up a new one because you guys suggested I put it in front of some of the mirrors I put on my wall. Now, those are actually dorm room mirrors, and you guys are totally right. I love the way this looks. I can put some staples on there and some items for when we're going out the door. I just love how it turned out, and I could do it for about $30. It's rivaling what you're gonna see at Pottery Barn, Kirkland's, and way higher end stores at about half the price. If you want that cozy fall vibe, I always shop the Dollar General for throws and blankets. They are incredible quality and a great price.
They retail between $8 and $15. These are gorgeous on blanket ladders, and I have a whole DIY tutorial on that. I love these signs. They are just $7 each. There's my hand for scale. You can see how big they are. That would look so cute on a front porch. And these pillows are great too. I'm not one for traditional fall colors, but I really like this one. They even have these like little mini door signs. So cute. That'd be a great little teacher gift. They have these really pretty light up pumpkins, which I just love as well. And then these mini fabric pumpkins are $5. I'm always asking myself, what's my basic DIY price? These wreaths are just $15 each. They also have this beautiful garland and these pretty signs too. I think this would look really great if you wanted to set this out with some of your fall candles or hang it from a doorway.
Let's talk about candles. Every season they keep adding different types of candles, new scents, and I just love them. Each of them are between $5 and $6 and the throw is great. And here's a couple that I've purchased for my home I can definitely recommend. So keep your eyes peeled.
The Dollar General always knocks it out of the park with their candles. They have apple buttercream, boozy pecan pie, bonfire nights, autumn walk, oh man, I love the names, and pumpkin latte.
If you're feeling overwhelmed by options, pick up the pumpkin waffle candle by True Living. You won't regret it, and then we can be fall scent twins.
You can get creative with your fall displays too. For example, you could grab this really cool candle holder and then some of the smaller candles, stick them right inside, and then change up the scents for the season. I love how this looks.
The Dollar General is really great for some of those bigger staple pieces. I love their lanterns. And even if you're shopping in a smaller Dollar General, I try to go around to different stores for you guys. You can get creative and create a really beautiful look.
These lanterns are a super score at just $12 and $15 each. Wow, that is gorgeous.
I am so excited for fall this year, and while I know it's early, lots of these things sell out, and sometimes it's fun just to get a little preview into what's coming for this season. I am so glad you are here. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. You hit that subscribe button so I'll never miss you. I'll see you soon. Bye!
What's that?
Do you know where things are in the store?
I wish I did. I'm just the influencer person.
Okay.
I like that though. Today's the day we find a treasure. I like that. That's a beautiful saying. It was nice to meet you.
Piece of that gold is
I love that. Take care. Oh, that was so cute. Every time I film, people are like, "Do you know where this is?" I'm like, "No, I don't."